Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the latest addition to the wearable tech scene, the Haylou RS5 smartwatch. We've been eagerly anticipating this sleek and innovative device, and I can't wait to dive into all the exciting features with you. Introducing the Haylou RS5 smartwatch, the latest innovation from Haylou that seamlessly blends style and technology to enhance your lifestyle. In a world where wearable tech is constantly evolving, the RS5 stands out with its sleek appearance and advanced features, embodying Haylou's commitment to promoting health and connectivity. At the core of the Haylou RS5 is its stunning 2.01-inch AMOLED boundless view display, which offers users an immersive visual experience like never before. With vibrant colors, exceptional clarity, and smooth navigation, this ultra-thin display sets a new standard for smartwatch visuals, ensuring an unparalleled user experience. Crafted from premium aircraft-grade metal with meticulous precision, the RS5 features an aerospace-quality metallic bezel that seamlessly blends lightweight appearance with durability and elegance. Weighing just 51 grams and with a thickness of approximately 10.5 millimeters, the RS5 strikes the perfect balance between style and functionality, making it the perfect companion for any occasion. Customization is key with the Haylou RS5, offering over 100 personalized watch faces and 2 colorful strap options in silicone and woven styles. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading out for a night on the town, the RS5 effortlessly adapts to suit your style, ensuring you always look and feel your best. But the Haylou RS5 is more than just a fashion statement. It's also equipped with a comprehensive health monitoring suite developed to prioritize your well-being. From continuous blood oxygen saturation monitoring to automatic stress tracking and heart rate monitoring, the RS5 keeps a vigilant eye on your health 24/7, providing detailed insights into your sleep patterns and overall wellness. Whether you're a fitness novice or a seasoned enthusiast, the Haylou RS5 is the ultimate companion on your journey to wellness. With its focus on health data and fitness tracking, the RS5 empowers users to take control of their health and achieve their goals, one step at a time. So why wait? Elevate your lifestyle with the Haylou RS5 smartwatch today. But perhaps the best part, the Haylou RS5 is incredibly affordable, with an initial launch price of just $39 on AliExpress. That's right, for less than $40, you can get your hands on a cutting-edge smartwatch that's packed with features and style. So if you're ready to elevate your tech game and take your wristwear to the next level, the Haylou RS5 is the smartwatch for you. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel for more in-depth reviews and coverage of this exciting device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video and God bless you.